Check out this Audi 2012 Q5 Quattro 4-door 3.2L Premium Plus. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are locking limited slip differential, all-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, temporary spare tire and luggage rack. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.